How's it going? Welcome back. If you're new here, consider clicking that subscribe button. It's totally free. So, a few weeks ago, I filmed a video about my lipo and how I completely drained it and destroyed it. So today I'm going to go into just how to charge your batteries. I feel like I totally skipped that part. I will be using the HobbyMate 120 AC Duo, meaning dual channel. And I typically just use it to charge 2 batteries at a time. You can get a charger block and charge, I believe, 5 or 6 batteries per block. And, so you can charge 10 batteries on this. I don't like doing that. So anyway, let's get into it. First thing we're gonna do is take our charger and plug it in. Next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna select our battery. On this particular one, it's kind of hard for you to read that screen, but it's there. So we're gonna select lipo. The other thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go in here and I'm going to go into system set. I'm going to flip through this and set a maximum capacity to on, and I'm going to set it for 1600 milliamps. The reason I am setting this at 1600 is because there's no setting for 1550. Next, I will go into the charger and select lipo right there. So now it's looking at a lipo balance charge at 2S at 2.0 amps. I do not want that. This is a 4S. You can see each individual cell, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this is a 4S. So I'm going to change this to a 4S. And then this number, 2.0, I'm going to change. I'm going to change that to 1.5. .5 amps. That's a 1C rating. I'm going to go over here and set this to 4S, and that's 14.8. I'm now ready in the charger to charge this battery. Some of the cords I will need are the adapter, which plugs right in here into the balance socket. So this is the balance board, as some people will call it. Next, I personally use an extension. This is a 4S battery, so I have 4 power wires and 1 negative. That's what the connectors look like for anybody who's interested. 1 male and 1 female. I plug this into the balance board right there at the 4S. What this allows me to do is lengthen the cords enough so that I can put it into this. I'll explain what this is in a little bit. The next cord I will plug in is the XT60 connector, and this has 2 3mm banana clips on the end of it, and these just go into their respective slots, negative and negative, positive and positive. the next thing I do, most batteries don't have these. I like to run them just for keeping track of which batteries have charge and which ones don't. So first thing you do, connect the XT60, then take your balance lead and connect it to the balance lead on the battery. Just like that. This battery is now ready to charge. However, as I mentioned before, I like to charge my lipos in a lipo safe. This is a fireproof or fire resistant bag. Sorry for the audio. So I take my battery, just kind of stuff it in there, flat, flip both sides down, and then close this off. So if in the event this battery decides to start cooking itself, I will see smoke coming out of this bag, and it will allow me enough time to get this out of the house before something catches fire. Or at least that's the hope. I also take the necessary precautions to not have that happen, so there's that. To start the charge, push and hold start. It will check the battery, then press start. And there you go. We have a 4S charge. Excuse me, we have a 4 lipo 4S, 4 cells, balanced charge. That's our lapse timer. That's our milliamps. And that's our current voltage. And that is our C rating charge. And now we just wait until it beeps. It will say finished. The other thing I like to do is monitor each cell voltage. So that's how to charge your lipo batteries. If you enjoyed this video, please comment, rate, and subscribe. Just punch that subscribe button, because you only get to do it once, and it's fun. And I'll catch you later. Peace!